Oh, let's play the Oxford Bird Quiz! I'll show you an Oxford bird and give you a few seconds before telling the answer. Let's go, number 1. That's a mallard, number 2. A black-headed eagle, number 3. Magpie, number 4. A red kite, number 5. A blue tit, number 6. A Dunnock, number 7. A moorhen, number 8. It's a goldfinch, number 9. A feral pigeon, and finally, number 10. A starling, and that's it. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Follow me, follow them, we'll both stuff, and thanks for playing the Oxford Bird Quiz.